What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're talking about Borden Wallace. Now, this is in our season 3 series, which I just started, which is called a new business spotlight, where once a month, focusing on a company that I'm just seeing or finding out about. They might have been around for a couple of years, but I'm just now running across them, and I want to feature them once a month. So that's where we're at. Now, if you are new to the channel, welcome. I appreciate you stopping by. If you want to hit that subscribe button down below, that would make my day. But now that all of that is out of the way, let's dive in. So let's just go ahead and start with the beard oil first, you guys. It comes in a 1 ounce amber bottle, has a standard dropper top on top of it. The labeling is just clean and simple. I love the way it looks. It really does embody just a gentleman's type of style label. That's the vibe I get from it. You do have the carrot oil blend on one side, you have directions on how to use on the other, and the name of the scent, so all the information you could ever need is literally right there at your fingertips. Now, a bottle of beard oil will run you $19, and actually it's $19 across the board. An oil, a butter, a balm, all of it, $19, just plain and simple. I love that. It really does make it easy to know how much everything is, especially for these videos. Now, the carrot oil blend is amazing, you guys. It's pretty long, but it does consist of virgin argan oil, golden jojoba oil, vitamin E oil, sweet almond oil, apricot kernel oil, avocado oil, pumpkin seed oil, grapeseed oil, hemp seed oil, and then scented with premium essential oils. That is a ton of stuff, you guys. Feeling beard though, amazing, fantastic, zero complaints. My beard really did drop all this beard oil as soon as I put it in my beard. The beard oil tint does have a light yellow tint to it, and viscosity wise, it is literally a borderline between medium and thick. So just know that that is the viscosity level. I really couldn't pick between a medium or a thick. It's literally right there in the middle, but a fantastic job with the beard oil from Borden Wallace. So the scent I have to go over today, you guys, is called Wichita County. Now, this is a scent profile of citrus, bergamot, vetiver, sage, and spice. Pretty unique combination. Smelling this scent, you guys, it really is amazing. It is a light, refreshing cologne scent. You get the citrus, the earthy notes, the leather notes, all of that wrapped in together for a beautiful cologne scent. It does remind me personally of what I think a successful businessman might be wearing. So great for a business atmosphere. Also, the scent that I really did like was called Maysville, which I had in a sampler size. Now, I do love it when companies do these little sampler sizes, because when you really don't know what scent you want, this is a great option. Now, this is amber, teakwood, leather, and citrus. Another amazing cologne scent. It really does wrap around perfectly. It is unique, but it is rich. It is a great cologne scent as well. So I recommend both of those scents out of everything on that website. These two really did speak to me. So when you check out the beard oils from Borden Wallace, keep both of these scents in mind. Now, moving on from the beard oil, we'll go to the beard butter. And like I said, you guys, a oil, a butter, or a balm, they're all $19 across the board. Their beard butter does come in a 2 ounce container. It is a light whipped beard butter. Does come out of the container extremely easy, emulsifies extremely fast in your hands, you guys. A little bit does go a long way when using it. It does condition and moisturize your beard exactly the way a beard butter should. It does smell exactly like the beard oil, but it does not have any beeswax in it. Now, if you are a fan of beeswax and you want something to hold your beard down, they do have a beard balm. It's in a 2 ounce container. Does a great job at controlling those flyaways, so you can style that beard exactly the way you want. And they also have their beard balms in a sample size or a travel size, so you can test those out as well. I think that's a great ad. I hope more companies do that in 2021, offering those sample or travel sizes. That way the consumer can really see if these scent profiles and products are really for them. And they also have you covered on tools. They have brushes, combs, a sweet leather carrying bag. Everything you could want for a beardsman's needs is on the Borden Wallace website. I think this company did a fantastic job, from the branding to the labeling to the products to the scents. Everything was top notch. I had a great experience with them, and I really do hope you guys check them out. Give them a look, check out their website. I'll drop it down in the description below, and I'll also tag their Instagram so you can check that out. I'll see you guys in the next episode, and as always, stay safe and stay bearded.